the Macedonian alphabet. The sound system. Standard Macedonian has 31 phonemes. It is written with the Cyrillic alphabet, which has 31 letters, one for each phoneme. As a general rule, the spelling is phonemic. Read as you write, write as you speak. So we start with the letters. A as in father. B as in bat. V as in van. G as in good. D as in day. G as in guilty. E as in bed. J as in measure. Z as in zoo. Z as in beds. I as in feet. Y as in yet. K as in kit. L as in let. L as in million. M as in met. N as in net. N as in new. O as in or. P as in pot. R as in rose. S as in sit. T as in two. K as in kilt. U as in boot. F as in fan. H as in behind. C as in waltz. Ch as in church. J as in job. Sh as in shop. Okay. The sound system contains 5 vowels: A, E, I, O, U. The remainder are consonants. In certain situations, R, R may become syllabic and function as a vowel, as in prv, crn, srna. Okay. Now, listen to the words and repeat after me. Knjiga, knjiga. Tenis, tenis. Moliv, moliv. Vesti, vesti. Palto, palto. Devojka, devojka. Ubava, ubava. Programa, programa. Autobus, autobus. Minuta, minuta. Profesor, profesor. Makedonski, makedonski. Penkalo, penkalo. Broj, broj. Prozor, prozor. Telefon, telefon. Teatar, teatar. Čokolado, čokolado. Restoran, restoran. Klub, klub. Futbal, futbal. Kompjuter, kompjuter. hamburger, hamburger. Hotel, hotel. Pizza, pizza. Kafe, kafe. Banka, banka. Sandwich, sandwich. Taxi, taxi. Fotografija, fotografija. Banana, banana. Sport, sport. Televizija, televizija. Gitara, gitara. Okay, and the last part of this video is about you listening to the alphabet one more time and practicing the alphabet and also the names after that. Okay. A, Anna. B, Bobby. V, Vicky. G, Goran. D, Dime. G, Gjoko. E, Elena. Ž, Žana. Z, Zoran. D, Zvonko. I, Ivan. J, Jana. K, Kosta. L, Lena. Lj, Ljuba. M, Mary. N, Nikola. Nj, Vanya. There is no word in Macedonian that starts with this letter. O, Olga. P, Petar. R, Risto. S, Sonja. T, Tome. K, Kjose. U, Uroš. F, Filip. H, Hristina. C, Cveta. Č, Časlav. Đ, George. Š, Shana. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you.